Jenny, and welcome back to K Seafood Pavilion. Yay!
Yay!
This is Jenny
and this is Danny.
we rhyme.
We rhyme, Jenny and Danny.
I
Today,
am excited.
what are we introducing? We're introducing something called Kimbo food. The brand name is Kimbo. It sounds very like
What does it sound?
very like familiar, like
Okay.
a mother-ish.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, we have two products in one set today. The first one is dried kelp.
Yes.
And the next one is dried sea mustard.
Why do people like it in general?
Because it's actually full of nutrients.
Right.
It has calcium, potassium, iron, and so many minerals and
Minerals.
vitamins. So it's like an everyday. That's why people love to eat it in Korea.
Right.
And this particular one is come from Wando.
Uh-huh.
It's an area in Korea that's really popular for seaweed products.
So we have opened this. So I have the
Sea mustard.
sea mustard, and you have
I have the kelp.
kelp.
So it looks like this.
Oh,
This
it
is the
looks like
kelp,
this.
and it's dried.
It is dry. I can smell the seed, right? You can smell it.
Let's prepare the kelp wrap. And I'm gonna be making the rice. So 1 tablespoon salt, sesame oil. I'm gonna put a little bit more than a tablespoon.
So impressed. Wow, they're really impressed about you making
Oh, really?
it. Yes, they are. So I'm just kind of, this big or how long? Big cut, just like this. But if you think the roll is too big, I'm just going to make it like this size. But if it's too big, you can cut it in half, however you like it.
Get a piece of kelp.
Right.
Like actually it's easier to roll if you put it on one side.
Oh, like all the veggies that you like to make
And
it
then
colorful. And yes, let's see.
roll.
Oh, you're rolling. Oh, look at that.
Oh wow, this one is a bit
Here, look at. Oh, okay. Why?
ta-da!
So a lot of you guys are asking how it tastes. So it's so hard. I want you guys to taste it and smell it as we're doing the cooking. The kelp itself has this like unique texture. It's seaweed. You can think of seaweed, but it's a bit more like wow. You
I
put
added
something.
chili sauce.
You put.
Because actually
chili
it would be
sauce?
really nice with wasabi,
Right.
but we don't have it.
Or soy sauce. I really want you guys to try kelp itself. Like when you try kelp.
Decoration.
Oh wow.
Michelin star decoration time.
Look at
Ta-da!
it's snowing shrimps. So we have this today. This is the dried seaweed mustard. And this is the dried kelp. For the seaweed, if you take it out of the wrapper, it is a lot of seaweed. This is dried seaweed, and please remember that this is not one portion. It's not two portions. I think this is maybe over like 10. It's a lot.
Actually, it might be written 75 people. 75 portions. 75, I'm not joking.
You guys, it is a steal. Like you can eat this. You can prepare food for 75 portions. So you guys look at this. This is like dried seaweed. It just came out from the sea. Like it's just dried. It has no other processing. It has no. It is just cleansed. It is cleansed. Then it's dried and it's in the package. And there you go. Nothing artificial going on here. Just so clean.
And for the kelp, actually, I like to cut it into small pieces and fry them.
Wow.
So what you can do is you can cut them and add some rice paper, like soak some rice paper and attach them and then fry them together.
Right.
It makes a perfect snack, healthy, and it makes a perfect snack. And also like we use this a lot for soup.
Right.
Making soup, like making a broth.
Exactly. Like you would just cut the broth when you want to make not beef, not beef broth. You can just cut this up. You can just like actually crack it.
Can you?
Yeah. You can crack it like this. Maybe this much is good for like that pot. You can boil it and you can chop it up and just have it like on top of something. That's good too. And I can actually this you can actually eat by like.
Oh yeah, you can. So today we have them both in one set. You guys can just get one and use it in like different recipes and different menus, and it's really easy to like look for the recipe, and it's really easy to make. So I hope you guys can try it. And it was really fun introducing like one of my favorite dishes and one of my favorite ingredients. So hope you guys can try it out.
I know, and please get
Yeah.
this. It's a set today. You guys can buy it. You can have the kelp and the dried sea mustard, and this is a set. You'll get them both if you buy it, and it's on 20% off. And use the coupon, and I hope you guys try it at home.
Yeah, watching our video, it'll be like cooking with us.
Right, right.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Okay.
We'll be back with more.
75
Bye-bye.
portions, you guys.
75
Okay. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. This was Jenny,
And
and
this is Danny.
bye, you guys.